Excel screen, the worksheet area.
Below the ribbon, we can see the formula bar, the name box, worksheet tabs, status bar, etc. Worksheet area. The area to do a work is known as worksheet area. In formula bar, we can edit data or formula. In name box, we can see the current cell number. By default, in a workbook, there are 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, etc. In addition to this sheet, we can create one or more sheets. In worksheet area, we can see columns and rows. Column name known as header is shown as letters. Row header is shown as numbers. There are more than 16,000 columns and more than 10 lakh rows in a worksheet. We can simply go to the end of the column or the end of the rows by using keyboard shortcuts Ctrl plus arrow keys. We can select a column or a number of columns as a word simply. Similarly, a row or a number of rows can select simply. We can simply select area of worksheet by clicking and drag the area to be selected.